But if I was splitting herds to go out like the 4 different jobs, I'd try and include a couple big tall guys in there, because they can get up there and pull the branches down for the little ones to eat. And the horn rubbing on the trees also helps damage the trees that we want damaged. Well, not very long. I brought the big boys on Tuesday, remember, on the way home from the golf course, and the bucks had been out here for about maybe a week. I could check my mileage log. Big boys. You're doing a good job. Yes, you are.